Rahul Salgare, please rename yourself. Rahul. Puturaj Babar, please rename. Babar. Yes, Shripal. Rename yourself. Yes. Yes. Rename yourself. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me start. Yesterday, what do you see? What do you see yesterday?
Normal form.
Normal form.
Normal form. What is the normal form? We have converted the given matrix into one of the following form. That is IR, IR0, IR in column, IR0 in first row, IR0, second row, IR. Sorry, first row, IR0 and second row, IR00. Okay, means we have converted the given matrix into this one of this following form. We have converted this into one of the following form. Okay. Then how we convert it into one of the following form? We are right on the theory working rule. Working rule like upon
No, sir.
up to normal form. Na? So now write on the working rule. The first step. Okay. So what is the working rule? First of all, understand. First of all, understand the working rule. What is the echelon form? Anybody can you tell me what is the echelon form? What is the echelon form?
Elementary transformation into upper triangular matrix.
We are converted into upper triangular matrix. We are converted into upper triangular matrix. Same concept we apply here in normal form. Just change. A given matrix we are converted into. Given matrix we are converted into. Given matrix we are converted into. What do you say that? Identity matrix. Identity matrix म्हणजे काय? 1 0 0 sorry 1 1 1 and upper and lower triangular, lower and upper triangular 0. Upper and lower triangular 0. Akshay Doke, please rename yourself. Akshay Doke. Akshay Doke, please rename yourself. Okay. All of you clear that in normal form आपल्याला काय करायचंय? Normal form आपल्याला काय करायचंय? उद्याचं काय केलं लेक्चर? नाही ऐका की तुम्हाला माझं जे एफचे लेक्चर आहे पावणे 1चं हे काय इथं एक पावणे 1चं ते इथे घेतो का तुम्ही 3:15 सॉरी 3:15 मी घेऊ का 3:15 ते 4:55 मी कंटिन्यू करतो. मला कसलं घ्यायचं तेवढं सांगा. 12:45 पण तुम्हाला दुसरे आहे का ते डिव्हिजनला फान okay, means in normal form we are trying to convert the given matrix into identity matrix. So how we converted? So we are for that identity matrix म्हणजे काय diagonal element 1 पाहिजे. तर कसं सॉल्व्ह करायचं पहा. पहिला जो एलिमेंट आहे A11 position we make as 1. Then below that element we make as 0. Step पहा बरं का. This is the first step. This is second step. Now third step. Corresponding element we make as 0. Corresponding element we make as 0. Okay, this one. Corresponding element we make as 0. Okay. Corresponding element we make as 0. This step number third. And fourth step, after completion of this, repeat the same step for the next diagonal element. What is next diagonal element? The next diagonal element is A22. We make as 1. Then corresponding element we make 0. Corresponding element we make 0. एक 35 ला एक 35 ला 11 मग दोन कंटिन्यू घेतात का तुम्हाला मला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे मला हे याचा प्रॉब्लेम होतो स्केच प्रॉब्लेम होतो दोन कंटिन्यू म्हणजे कुठलं तुम्हाला एक सी ला घ्यायचंय आणि एक एफ ला घ्यायचंय एफ ला तुम्हाला पावणे एक ला घ्यायचंय आणि सी ला पावणे एक ला आणि सी ला पावणे 1:35 ला म्हणजे 10 मिनिटात ओके तर उद्या मला 6 लेक्चर म्हणून म्हटलं ओके देन आफ्टर कम्प्लिशन ऑफ दिस काय करायचं पहा नॉर्मल फॉर्म मध्ये we are trying to convert the given matrix into identity matrix means diagonal element we make as 1 and upper element and lower element we make as 0. So how we converted? So we are converted into step first, get the first element A11 is equal to 1 by interchanging row or interchanging column or just multiply it by reciprocal. This is step first. म्हणजे जो A11 1 आणण्यासाठी आपण काय करणार A11 1 आणण्यासाठी काय करणार get the first element A11 is equal to 1 by interchanging of rows or interchanging of column or just multiply it by reciprocal. The second step, make the remaining element of the first column is 0. By performing row operation all with first row. Make remaining element of first column is 0 by performing row operation all with first row. Then step third, make remaining element of first row is 0 by performing column operation all with first column. And last step, repeat the same step 1, 2, 3 with A22, A33, A44 and so on, diagonal element. This is your working rule. So write on this working rule. I will explain again. हा, क्लिअर झालं का तुमचं पॉइंट? लिहून झालंय का? एव्हरीवन क्लिअर दिस? मी परत समजून सांगतो की कसं करायचं वर्किंग रूल. Take the screenshot of this or just write down your step one by one. Very important step working rule. कारण की हे तुम्हाला समजलं तर पुढचं एक्झाम्पल माझ्या माहितीनुसार तरी अवघड नाहीये. Okay, get the first element a11 is equal to 1 by interchanging of row or interchanging of column or just multiply it by reciprocal. Make the remaining element of the first column is 0 by performing row operation all with first row. Make remaining element of first row is 0 by performing column operation all with the first column. Repeat the step 1, 2, 3 with A22, A33 and A44, so on. Clear? Everyone clear this? Everyone clear this?
Yes, sir.
सगळ्यांचं झालंय का लिहून? पहा मी जातोय, मी परत एक्सप्लेन करतोय तुम्हाला. लिहून झालंय सगळ्यांचं हे?
Yes, sir.
झालं sir.
Yes,
Just
sir.
take the screenshot. Just take the screenshot. Okay. मी तुम्हाला काय सांगितले पहा. A given matrix. This is a given matrix. In that given matrix, we convert this A11 equal to 1 by performing row interchange, row or column interchange. बरोबर का? इथून मागे आपण फक्त रो इंटरचेंज करत होतो. या ठिकाणी काय करायचं आपण? रो किंवा कॉलम काही करू शकतात. और just multiply. ऋषिकेश जेठे, दिस इज युअर लास्ट वॉर्निंग. मी तुला कधीच लेक्चरला घेणार नाही. तुला मी परवा काल मला वाटतं बाहेर काढलं लेक्चर मधून. आठवते तुला? जेठे ऋषिकेश, आठवतंय का? काल तुम्हाला लेक्चर मधून मी बाहेर काढलं होतं. का बाहेर काढलं होतं? तुमचा आवाज येत होता, अनम्यूट होता तुम्ही, बरोबर आहे?